My heart beats fast, my soul feels alive. When I'm with you, my life I thrive. In your eyes, my heart finds a home. With you, I am never alone. Your touch ignites a burning flame that guides me through life's joy and shame. Your love is my shelter, my peaceful nest. With you, my heart is forever blessed. Your lips a rose that blooms with grace. Your smile a sun that lights up the space. Your voice a melody that fills my heart. Your love a work of art. With every breath I'll love you till the end. Through every moment our love will transcend. Time and space they cannot separate. Our love a bond that's great and strong. In your arms I find my peaceful place. A place where love resides. A warm embrace where our hearts beat as one. In perfect time, forever and always, our love will be divine.